Hi, this is Homegrown, and I'm Sharonda Brown. Today we are going to make what I like to call a shamrock smoothie. And the ingredients that we will use for this will be simply water, a banana, spinach, pineapple, and some honey. And the first thing we're going to do is just take the top off, and we do that with a simple twist. We're getting ready to take our knife and we're going to cut straight down into the pineapple. There you have it. When I cut pineapples, I just like to cut them very easy. I like to serrate it, and then I just come back around with my knife and cut the sides the same way. So the first thing I always like to do, just add water. We're gonna add a banana. Next, we're gonna add spinach. So I just like to pack, it's about a cup that you're gonna put in, and then we're gonna add the pineapple. We're gonna add honey, and that's gonna help give us the sweetness. We're not using any sugar, we're just gonna use some honey. Some people like to freeze their bananas, or some people wanna just add some ice to it, and some people just like it at room temperature. And what we're trying to do, we're trying to get the spinach as fine as we can. It is sweet. So thank you again, and I know your children are gonna love this.